Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my June 2020 Boxyluxe unboxing. I just got my box in the mail and I am so excited because the Boxyluxe only comes every quarter. So this is an upgrade to the regular BoxyCharm box. So instead of paying $25 for the month, I end up paying $50. But I'm supposed to get $250 worth of products in here. So I tend to think it's really worth doing the quarterly upgrade from the $25 BoxyCharm to the Boxyluxe. But I'm excited to find out if it really is worth it this month. I recently signed up for the BoxyCharm Premium as well, and that looks really similar to the Boxyluxe. It's almost the same size box, but that one is $35 a month and it comes every month. So I just got my box yesterday in the mail. I did my unboxing video, so I'll have that video linked down below if you want to see all of the products I got in my BoxyCharm Premium box for the month of June. But so let's get into my Boxyluxe box, which I should just explain that this is a beauty subscription service that is customized to you based off of a survey that you fill out. You also get to choose one product for each of your boxes. So let's find out what I got in mine. Ooh, I got a big product sheet here. So like I said, this did cost $50, but I'm supposed to get $250 worth of products at least. So I'll go ahead and add up the total retail value and let you know what this really comes out to being worth. But so right on top here, I have a product from Osea. I'm familiar with this brand, but I don't know if I've really tried out any products. And yes, just from feeling this, I figured out what it is. This is a gua sha tool. And I actually have never tried out a gua sha tool, but basically you just rub it along your face. It has this little pamphlet here. Oh, good. That shows exactly how to use it and the direction to do it. So you have to do it on a clean face. I have some makeup on right now, but I would love to incorporate this into my skincare routine because I've heard really great things about this. So I'm excited. The first product I pulled out is a product that I'm excited to use and that I've never tried before, but I've been wanting to. So to me, that's like a perfect product to get. The Osea Gua Sha Sculptor retails for $32. So this is, you could probably tell from looking at it, but it's made out of jade. And basically it's supposed to melt muscle tension and improve skin firmness. With consistent use, facial gua sha can help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. I'm definitely gonna have to do some more research and watch some more videos on it, but I'm really excited to try it out. If you have any gua sha tips, let me know in the comments down below. Ooh, I got some coupons here, but Kylie Skin. Oh, I'm so excited. Enjoy $5 off your next KylieSkin.com purchase with promo code BOXY5. There you go, I'll share that with you. And then Pur Lisse, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I saw someone else do an unboxing and they pronounced it Pur Lisse. I don't think that's right. Pur Lisse probably isn't right either, but I think you understand what I'm trying to say. This is the Perfect BB Cream SPF 30. Oh my gosh, love that. Oh, this isn't a coupon code. This is just like product information, but that's great. So that's a little spoiler of the next products I'm gonna pull out. So this, oh my gosh, beautiful packaging. I'm a sucker for pink and I love ombre. This is from Kylie Skin. It's the foaming face wash. Ooh, I am excited to try out a Kylie Skin product. I have not tried out any Kylie Skin products yet, but I have wanted to ever since she came out with it. And the face wash sounds really nice because it's supposed to be ultra nourishing with kiwi seed oil and vitamin C and E, which I love using vitamin C and E in my skincare products. And it's gentle to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Retails for $24. I just have to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But I love using face washes like this at night to cleanse my skin before doing my whole skincare routine. Something that's pretty gentle, because with my nighttime skincare routine, I use a lot of different products. So I like to start out with a gentle cleanser. So this will be really perfect. And this is big. I just think it's so cool that we are getting Kylie Skin in BoxyCharm. And then the next product, which goes with the card that I pulled out, the Pur Lisse Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. I love products like this for the summer, springtime as well when it's warm, because I also love to wear products with SPF. I like to layer up my SPF. I always wear a usually SPF 50 face moisturizer, and then I love to also use an SPF foundation type product, complexion product, and then I also love to use an SPF setting spray. So I really like to get as much protection as I can. And so SPF 30 is great to see. Let's see, did this come in a certain shade? This is light medium. Oh, maybe that's the shade, light medium. But I thought that might have been the amount of coverage. So it's a foundation, antioxidant moisturizer, and SPF 30 in one. It has Asian herb extracts that will brighten the skin, improve texture, and moisturize to give glow. So this sounds so nice. So this is actually the first kind of makeup product that I'm pulling out. So I want to mention that I will be trying this out in a full dedicated review video as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on that. And I can't wait to try this out. I love trying out BB creams and foundation and complexion products. And this retails for $35. Also, at the end of the month, after I've tried out all of my BoxyCharm products, I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial using all of the products that I got for the month of June in BoxyCharm, and that'll be a good way for me to update you on how I've been liking the products as I've used them throughout the month. The next product I have here is from the brand M Green Grass CBD Head to Toe Cream. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have been wanting to get a CBD cream for so long. I wonder if BoxyCharm knew that anytime they had like their add-on sales or anything like that, I'd always try and search or look for CBD products, and I hadn't been able to get one, but I've been on the search, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have only just tried like little bits and little samples of CBD cream, and they have really helped me. Like when my feet are aching after being on them all day, or if I've had like neck or shoulder pain, I'll just rub the CBD cream into it. Sometimes it takes maybe like 2 or 3 times of applying it, but then it's like the pain was never there and it's completely gone, and it's amazing. So I am beyond excited to get this CBD head to toe cream. Wow, retails for $56. This is also supposed to be super hydrating. But wow, I can't wait to try this. Well, actually, knock on wood, I don't really have any terrible pains right now, but when I do, I'm going to apply this. But I also love the fact it can be used as just a daily moisturizer to soothe the skin. Okay, and then this product here from the brand Mallett Goats Recovery Treatment Oil. This looks familiar, the packaging. Here's what that looks like. It looks familiar because I remember getting this packaging before and not liking it. For some reason, when I look at this and I see all the words, it just makes me not want to read it. But okay, I'll do it. Recovery Treatment Oil. Fast absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant-rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So just like a really nice serum. Ooh. Retail value of $82. That is fancy. I feel like I got a lot of products that help with fine lines and wrinkles, so using this with my gua sha is probably going to be a great combo. And this is another product that has vitamin C and E in it. Okay. Ooh. And then I got this Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Lip Pencil 2-pack. So I'm not familiar with this brand, and I love when I get to learn about new makeup brands, but I love lip pencils. So let's see what these look like. Ooh, I like that they're very different. You've got a deeper kind of burgundy shade here called Rosewood, and then more of a nude shade called Pouty. This will actually be really fun to use these two shades together because I love doing an ombre lip look. I have pretty small lips, so I like to find ways to enhance them. So, you know, with a little overlining, a little ombre effect, I think I'll be able to do a really great transformation to my lips with these two pencils. So I'm really excited. I'll definitely do that in my dedicated review video. And these retail for $28. So this set of two for $28. Ooh, and then a really exciting product here. This is from Tarte. It's the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Ooh, gosh, I see lots of beautiful colors here. Oh, gorgeous packaging. When I like that it has this little card with some ideas and instructions on how to use it. It's so pretty. I can see my reflection in the back of it. Wow, this is nice and big. Oh, and then you get that huge mirror. Wow. Ooh, this smells nice. Like I got a whiff of like a sweet vanilla scent, but oh my gosh. I love this. This is so beautiful. All of these gorgeous shades. These are the types of shades that I love to wear often. Like these are kind of my comfort zone eyeshadow shades where you've got some pinks and purples, but also a lot of beautiful neutrals, but then also some shimmers because I love to incorporate shimmer into my eyeshadow looks. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. I'm going to try this out very soon. Like I'm sure you can tell how excited I am about this. I love getting eyeshadow palettes, especially big eyeshadow palettes, and from brands that I love, such as Tarte. Like Tarte is one of my favorite brands. So let's see the retail value on this. Ooh, $49. I pretty much got all expensive products in this box, and there is one more product left. This is from Lily Lashes. I have heard a lot about Lily Lashes, but I have never tried them out myself. But this is the Triple X Mascara in black. I love trying out mascaras. And I'm excited to try out my first Lily Lashes product. This retails for $24. Wow. Okay, I am really, really happy about the products I got. I got a really great mix of makeup products and makeup product categories that I love and that I'm so excited to use. But then I did get some skincare products, but skincare products that I am really excited about. Some expensive skincare products that I would never purchase on my own, but I get to really treat myself when I get them in BoxyCharm because I get them for the best deal. I got 8 products and the total retail value is $330. That way surpassed the $250 claim. Wow. Okay, this is maybe one of the best Boxyluxe boxes I have gotten. Let me do a quick recap and then you can let me know in the comments down below what you think. Did I get an amazing box? I feel like I did. Also, let me know what you got in your box. So the products that I got in mine are the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, the Mallett Goats Recovery Treatment Oil, the M Greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream, the Osea Gua Sha, the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, the Bodyography Lip Pencil 2-pack, and the Pur Lisse Perfect Glow BB Cream. I'm also so excited that I got some new brands to try out, but also products from brands that I had been wanting to try out, and then products from brands that I just love. So this is really a fantastic mix of products for me. I feel like I am going to get so much self-care out of this box and just so much fun too, playing around with these products. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.